Morning, good morning. First ride on the new Aprilia Tuono 660 factory, the new flagship. I tell you what, it's not an easy bike to wheelie. Not only has it got a little bit more power now compared to the outgoing Tuono 660, it's also got a shorter final drive, so it accelerates much harder. The performance difference is obvious with the new fully adjustable front end and the Sachs rear shock. It's quite stiff, it's very sporty. Keen cinephiles among you may have seen this baby in the new Keanu Reeves action thriller John Wick 4, the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory. Factory, of course, referring to all of Aprilia's highest specifications of the model in question, and the model in question is the Tuono 660 naked bike. So what separates it from the outgoing Tuono 660? Well, it's got this rather restrained black and red colour scheme, which our resident Aprilia expert Chris behind the camera said makes it a bit of a sleeper, and I think that's a fair analysis because this thing is quite high performance. The big news is we get fully adjustable KYB suspension at the front end and a new Sachs rear shock. I think one of the easiest ways of thinking about this is the Tuono 660 factory is now in line in terms of specifications pretty much with the fully fed RS 660. So we now have a 6-axis IMU, so lean angle sensitive, traction control, cornering ABS. We also have adaptive cornering lights. Bit more grunt too, an extra 5 horsepower for a full 100 horsepower. That's 70 kilowatts in the old brain calculator, 70 kilowatts. And 67 Newton meters. We also get an up-down quick shifter as standard. Very hard acceleration, very hard edged. It's quite a stiff bike. It's certainly gone a step forward in the performance direction. Another change is we get a lithium-ion battery, which drops the weight by a couple of kilograms to 181 kilograms. So a bit more power, less weight, stronger power to weight ratio. It's set up with a solo seat, but you can put a pillion seat on there if you like. We've still got the pegs. So the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory is on sale now in Australia from $22,690 right away. Of course, if you're from another country, check with your local dealer for pricing and availability information. But while we've got a dry road, I'm going to get out there, get amongst it. Yeah, the brakes are fantastic. Definitely love the sound this thing makes. It's only the stock pipe too. Have a listen. It's really throaty. It's more intake sound than exhaust sound. Oh, I love it.